Here's an electrical code voltage drop question. What is the maximum length of run between the load and the distribution center for 240 volt circuit with an installation using 14.2 NMD90 as a wiring method? Circuit is intended to carry 20 amps at only a 1% voltage drop. We'll assume 100% power factor. And again, we're looking for the maximum length of run. Maximum length of run says solve for L in meters is what that would say to me. I'm going to approach this voltage drop question like I approach any voltage drop question with the relationship that 1,000 meters is in every kilometer. I'm going to need that as a conversion factor times voltage drop, which is my voltage times the percent drop, is equal to K derated by factor 3 times F of note 2 times I in amps times that length in meters that I want to solve for. Now I'm going to solve for length in meters by rearranging my equation. My length in meters must be less than or equal to 1,000 conversion factor meters per kilometer times the voltage drop over K, F, I, A, and that's all. And filling in what we know, the voltage drop is going to be my 240 volts times 0.01% voltage drop I deem acceptable. K, if I look into table D3, then I see that the K factor is 10.2 ohms per kilometer. If the power factor is 1 and we're assuming copper, in this, just so you know, this is from table D3, power factor equals 1, copper, and 75 degrees. All right, then F from F is 1.05 from table D3 note 2. Table D3 note 2 is 1.05, and we have to multiply that by our current, which is 20 amps. Once we substitute all of that in, we're going to get 240 over 428.4, and we're going to remember to carry all of those units. Meters per kilometer will be sitting on the top there, and a volt will be sitting on the top. And on the denominator, we're going to have this ohms per kilometer times amps. And we know that a volt over an amp is equal to an ohm, and these kilometers are in the denominator, which means that the length must be less than or equal to, put these in the calculator, we get 5.6 meters. So the maximum length of run is 5.6 meters between the load and the distribution center for this 240 volt, 20 amp application using 14.2 NMD90 if we're only limiting it to 1% voltage drop. I hope this example problem was helpful for you. If it was, please hit like, subscribe for more example problems, and comment below about what you liked about it and what more do you need to see. Thank you so much.